You know, becoming folklore. It's probably not.
That's very cold. Yeah, we might sit here a little while and warm up. Okay, it is a little chilly right now, but if you could tell from the intro sequence, I'm doing a hike today. Gonna get some cool shots, do a little tutorial how to do a hiking vlog. First things first, I gotta get gas. Also, almost 20,000. I got this thing about a year ago. Yeah, I'll see you out there. Okay, here we are. It's a little bit chillier than I expected, but can't let that slow us down. It's actually not very busy at all here. I was expecting it to be pretty crowded, but got here early enough, I'm assuming. And we got I think about a 5-kilometer hike ahead of us. So, beautiful day for it. Let's see what it has to offer at the top. Okay, we just passed by this cool little creek. The lighting here is fantastic. Like, you got the sun coming up right behind. You got nice shadows, lots of vegetation. Such an amazing hike. And I am very out of shape because I am already out of breath. We're about a half hour in, so wish me luck. Okay, that was probably one of the coolest interactions I've ever had on a hike. Get up to the top, looking up the view, setting up the drone, and this man named Luciel kind of comes out of nowhere. He's talking with me. He's really interested about the drone. We just start talking, and this man has stories to tell, I tell you. He, from Romania, 70 years old, retired 2 years ago, traveled the world. This man, I could have spoken to him for hours on hours. So if you're watching this, thank you for the amazing encounter. Hope to see you out here again pretty soon. It was fantastic meeting you. About just getting what you find interesting. Make it your own, add some depth to it, and tell a story. It doesn't have to be a grand story, you don't have to be fighting a dragon, overcoming a great injury. It just has to be a story. This one is just about getting out there. Whether you're trapped inside, feeling no inspiration, whatever it might be. Took about 20 minutes to plan this trip, and it's been about an hour and a half, 2 hours. It's not that long. You can't find 2 hours to throw into something during the week. Spend 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Find something you like doing and get out there and do it. Okay, we're almost back to the truck now. I need to go get some food because I haven't eaten anything this morning and it's already noon. So, we'll go get some food. I'll meet you back at the editing station. Okay, just want to say a big thank you to anyone who's made it this far. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll leave a link to that down in the description. And thank you guys for watching. As I said, if you can't get an hour, get 10, 20 minutes. Go out, do what you like, and make the most of the day. Alright guys, talk to you later. Hope to see you in the next video. Follow my Instagram, post there almost every day. Thanks so much.